Hello, I'm AJ Mellott, founder and CEO of Ronawk. Welcome to our March 2021 product and company update, where I'll once again share recent highlights about what's going on at Ronawk. First, we want to invite you all to come take a virtual tour of Ronawk. We hosted our Welcome to Ronawk, a virtual tour event on February 25th to share more about our company, what we've been building over the past year, and to also talk about our plans for this next year. Thank you to all those that attended live. We've made a recording of the event available on YouTube so that you can take the tour on demand now too. We hope to see you in our virtual hallways soon. This month, we wanted to share some customer data that confirms T-blocks have a positive effect on cell secretions of wound healing markers and overall growth. Specifically, our customers monitored protein expression of wound healing markers from adipose-derived mesenchymal stem cells, or ASCs, grown for 14 days in both 2D cell culture flasks and in our T-blocks. When our customers normalized their data to assess differences between cells grown in these different environments, they found that many wound healing markers were unchanged. These are the black bars. But the cells grown in 2D had downregulation of 4 wound healing markers. These are the red bars. Most significant, though, is that cells grown in the 3D T-blocks had significant upregulation of several markers pertaining to the proliferation and the remodeling phases of wound healing. These are the green bars. This is just one more data set that confirms the advantages of T-blocks extend well beyond the efficiency, cost, and reduced contamination gains they provide. We want to thank our customer for sharing this data with us. Finally, we'd like to note that we've added a new how-to video to our YouTube channel. This short video covers the process for changing cell culture media when using T-blocks to grow cells. We're planning to produce more of these helpful how-to videos soon, so stay tuned to our YouTube channel or Ronawk.com to catch new releases. With that, we'll wrap up this March update. Thank you for your time, and as always, stay tuned to Ronawk.com for additional news and updates.